So we're continuing today in Kitzur Shulchan Aruch when we find ourselves today in Siman Zayin Sif Vav, Chapter 7, Halacha 6. Kol berachos hashachar im lo amran kodem sheyispalel. In general, all berachos hashachar, if one did not recite them before one davened, yachal lo amran la'acharat tefillah. One could say it after davening. So again, berachos hashachar, which we've spoken about extensively, ideally the placement as well. The truth is, the real ideal is, as the Gemara Maseches Brachos explain, that one should really recite them upon awakening in the morning. But assuming that did not happen, one says it when they come to shul. But even if one did not initially say it at the beginning of davening, the Kitzur says one could say it at the end of davening as well. He says, Chutz mi birchas al natilas yadayim, with the exception of the bracha of al natilas yadayim. Why? V'cheven sheish omrim de natilas yadayim shachris niskana mishum tefillah. Em kin la'achar sheispala ein od makom lebracha zos. Since, at least according to one opinion, the whole concept or the purpose of natilas yadayim is readying oneself for davening. If one has already davened, then there is no point, then there's really, according to that opinion, no din of natilas yadayim. Out of deference to that particular opinion, if one did not recite that bracha prior to davening, one would not recite that bracha after davening. He goes on and he says, "V'chutz mi berachas Elokai neshama shekvar yotzim beberachas mechaye hamesim." Furthermore, again, one would also not say Elokai neshama. So interestingly enough, because Elokai neshama, remember again, the whole idea of a bracha of Elokai neshama is Elokai neshama shenasat bita horihi, a reference to the idea that when one goes to sleep, the Gemara says sleep is 1/60th of death, and therefore upon awakening in the morning, one has received their soul in return from HaKadosh Baruch Hu. So if one did not say Elokai neshama in the beginning of davening, right, with Berachas HaTorah, and one davened, one would not say it after davening. Why? So the Kitzur says, since in Shmona Esrei we say, Mechaye mesim ata rav lahoshia, we make reference to resurrection. Now, of course, as much as Tchias HaMesim that we're referring to is the Messianic era, is ultimately Tchias HaMesim by Mashiach, but at the end of the day, so that covers the obligation for Tchias HaMesim that we have an obligation to thank Hashem for every day, which is the Tchias HaMesim that we experience in the morning upon awakening. Therefore, if one did not say Elokai neshama before davening, and one davened the complete davening, one would not recite that bracha afterwards as well. Okay, shkayach everyone, wishing everyone a wonderful day. Kol tov.